I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Outlook and signing in. Make sure you have your email address and password ready. First, add your account. Choose Exchange or a map, enter server details if needed, and authenticate. Once done, enable Mail Sync and choose whether to download headers or full messages. Make sure to set this account as the default mailbox if you'll use it primarily. These initial steps connect Outlook to your mail and prepare folders so messaging works smoothly right away. Now organize incoming mail so you don't get overwhelmed. Create folders and subfolders named for projects, clients, or topics, and drag a few sample messages to them to test structure. Next, build rules. Set conditions to auto-move, flag, or delete messages and apply to existing mail. This saves time. Also turn on focused inbox and assign categories with colors to prioritize urgent threads. Make sure to test rules with a few emails and refine conditions if messages land in the wrong place. Finish by using Outlook's calendar and sending smartly. Create events, add attendees, and use Scheduling Assistant to find open times. Include agendas in the invite body. Use quick steps to apply multi-action tasks like reply and file or template sends in one click, which speeds repetitive work. If something breaks, troubleshoot. Verify server status, toggle cached exchange mode, re-enter credentials, and restart Outlook. If syncing still fails, remove and re-add the account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.